Connections matter. Your connection to others around you, to the world as a whole, and especially your connection to yourself. Speaking of yourself, allow me to introduce you to your brain. Brain, self. Self, brain. Now, technically, no, your brain doesn't have arms, legs, a face, or, shoes. But hey, it's animation. Welcome to the Connections Matter Academy. This video series was designed for anyone who's experienced trauma in their lives. We want to help you better understand how your body and brain are impacted by traumatic events and help you navigate the tricky emotions that often go along with trauma so that you can live your best life. Before we go any further, though, let's define a word that we've already been using a whole bunch: trauma. It's a deeply distressing or disturbing experience beyond our control. Bad things, they happen to everyone. But traumas are the bad things that have a lasting effect on how we live our lives. Did you know the experiences you had as a child directly affect the way that you relate to the world today? Understanding how those experiences affected you allows you to be the one in charge of your life going forward. And the reason why we want to understand trauma isn't just to relive those painful experiences, but rather to help you reach your full potential. Over the course of this series, you'll be acting as a detective for your own brain and memory to find ways in which trauma has impacted you and blocked you from unlocking that potential. Now, some of you may be skeptical about all this. That's okay. Good detectives are often skeptical. The creators of this academy went through similar experiences as you, and they created this academy so that you might avoid some of the struggles that they had to deal with. Throughout this series, you might experience some strong emotions. That's okay. Anytime you're feeling uncomfortable, there are many things you can do to calm your body. Things like taking a walk, calling a friend, enjoying nature, or listening to calming music. Over the course of this series, you'll learn many more practices just like these that'll help you relate better to your emotions, especially in difficult situations.